Enroll your Android or ChromeOS device in your company's Malwarebytes mobile device protection program. On the device, check your inbox for an email from do not reply at cloud.malwarebytes.com with the subject Malwarebytes installer and agent. Click the installation link to download the Malwarebytes for Business app from the Google Play Store. Tap Install. Open the Malwarebytes for Business app. Accept the privacy policy, and continue. To activate mobile security, return to the email. Tap on the link for your operating system. Alternatively, enter the activation token in the app. Enable the system permissions manually to complete the setup. Now Malwarebytes can scan for and automatically remove threats on your device. It will use both periodic scans and real-time protection to keep your device safe.